In this video, we shall see how to claim the dog coin. Okay, so guys, you have to know that there's a new airdrop that has been launched by Telegram itself, and it's just rewarding its users. So this means Telegram is launching this coin, and within a few weeks from now, this coin will be very good. Okay, because as you can see, it has just launched like 2 weeks back, but they have gained followers which are around 6.1 million subscribers in their Telegram channel or in their Telegram community. So this means this coin is really very capable, and you have to launch and download it, or you have to launch and join it right away. So how to join it? So how to join it is quite simple. All you need to do is to come to your Telegram application. Okay, so I think I'll just come and refresh this Telegram over here. Okay, so after refreshing it, now it's good. You have to come and launch the Telegram application, then come to search bar. Now on the search bar, search for dogs airdrop. Okay, quote me right, dogs airdrop. When you search for dogs airdrop, click on that one there. So when you click on that one there, click on the last message, which is this one here. And as you can see, when you join this group, this bot over here, which is called Mary, will automatically refer to you a link that you can use to join this airdrop. So click on the link there, and when you click on the link, the dog airdrop will start loading right away. So as for my case, guys, I already joined the dog airdrop and I was given 838 dogs. So how to know how many dogs you're going to be given? You can't tell because it depends on how long you've been on Telegram. Literally, what's your age on Telegram? Have you been on Telegram for 2 years? Or have you been on Telegram for 3 years, 5 years, 4 years? So depending on how long you've been on Telegram, this means the more you've been on Telegram is the more you're going to get more dog coins. Okay, so for my case, I've been on Telegram for 1 year and I have 838 dogs only. Okay, but you have to join this Telegram group, and then you just come here, click on join, and then after joining, you'll be getting the information on this update of this dog coin. Okay, so guys, that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.